That BRF file contains content formatted specifically for Braille display devices and embossers, making printed material accessible to visually impaired readers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and use your Braille formatted document. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep BRF file analysis, provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A BRF file is a Braille Ready Format file containing texts formatted in contracted or uncontracted Braille using the ASCII Braille encoding standard. BRF files are used with Braille embossers, Braille displays, and screen reader software to deliver document content in formats accessible to blind and visually impaired users. BRF files use ASCII Braille encoding, where each standard ASCII character maps to a specific Braille cell pattern. Files contain 40-column formatted text with page breaks for Braille embossing. The format supports Grade 1 uncontracted and Grade 2 contracted Braille for English and other supported languages. The reliable first choice for the BRF file type is Duxbury Braille Translator, DBT, developed by Duxbury Systems, Inc. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows can render a preview, but full functionality, like styling or layout, requires a document editor. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your BRF file and select Open With. Use Duxbury Braille Translator, DBT, if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. If the BRF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. This is a truly stubborn BRF file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, open with a Braille reader or display. BRF files are read using refreshable Braille displays connected to computers running screen reader software like JAWS, NVDA, or BrailleBack. Connect your Braille display, open the BRF file with your screen reader, and navigate the Braille content using the display's pan buttons and navigation controls. Next, emboss with a Braille printer. To produce a physical Braille document, connect a Braille embosser and use embossing software, such as Duxbury Braille Translator or Braille Blaster, to print the BRF file. Configure paper size and Braille formatting settings in the embossing application to match the BRF file's page layout specifications. Finally, view as text in any text editor. BRF files can be opened in any text editor for inspection. While the ASCII Braille characters won't render as visual Braille dots, the raw content is visible as ASCII text. Use Duxbury Braille Translator to convert BRF files back to print text format for sighted readers who need to review the content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.